This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and aluminum wheels. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Bushnell Ford is a full-service dealership that's been providing a superior sales, service, and body shop experience for over 35 years. We are located at 205 South Main Street in Lodi.